Men, and I use the term loosely. This is going to be short. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Right here is a partial set of crescent ratcheting combination wrenches. 9/16, 7/16, 3/8. The half-inch wrench is missing. That's because I lost it. I don't like to lose tools, but tore the place up looking for it, couldn't find it, so I tried to buy another one of these. As it turns out, crescent has been absorbed by Gearwrench. So you can't buy a crescent wrench like this anymore. I got a hold of a distributor for crescent. They turned into Gearwrench, and I bought a replacement wrench. And this is the wrench I bought right here. And I'll zoom in so you can see it, but the direction selector just fell off one day. Fell off one day, completely gone, hole there. So I got a hold of their warranty department, and they gave me for free a replacement. And this is, you know, a certain amount of time spent on the telephone and jerking around and yada yada. Well, I finally convinced them they owed me another wrench. This one here worked okay for a while, and then it gets locked up over here. Like, well, see, sometimes, right now it won't freewheel in either direction. It locks up. So this one is no good. That's junk. I'd really preferred to have gotten a crescent wrench. The trouble with these is they work good. They last a long time. The trouble with them is when you're working in close proximity to other things and you swing the wrench around, sometimes you bump the button over here, and now it's going the wrong way. So although these work very well, and I like them, and I use the hell out of them, they're not without their faults. Anyway, the long and the short of it is this. Bought a set of Craftsman combination wrenches, ratcheting, offset. So we're going to give these a try. And yeah, I know, they're made in Taiwan. All the tools are made in Taiwan, pretty much. Craftsman nowadays is part of Black & Decker Stanley. And this was made in Taiwan, and somewhere on here in little tiny letters it says made in Taiwan. So we're going to give these guys a try. But anyway, the point of this video is Gearwrench Junk. I won't buy them again, ever. You know, you got two wrenches broke a very similar way. It just ain't worth screwing with, you know. So we'll give Craftsman a try and see how they make out. And with that, I am out of here. Short video. See you next time. Bye.
Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.